Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a Kahoot in your classroom. It is a fun way to quiz your students on the knowledge that they've already known. First, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the Kahoot website and log in or make an account. I already have an account, so I will show you. You log in whichever way you like. And once you log in, you will go to Kahoots because you've already made a quiz that you want your class to take. You will hit play. And once you hit play, you will ask if you want to play a classic version or you would want to play a team version. I would want to play the classic version, so I hit classic version and it will say ready to join. And when it says ready to join, it will come up with this code. And this code is the code that your students will go to Kahoot themselves and they will type in the code. Once they do that, they will click enter. When they click enter, they will write in their nickname that they choose, whatever it is. This one says Sam. And they will hit the go, and it will say you're in. See your nickname on screen. So the nickname is up here. And the teacher will go and put this on the screen, and it will tell her how many players and what the players' names are for the activity. Then you will hit start. When you hit start, it will say that there's 15 questions. Are you ready? And this will be on the screen. And then it will say, is it safe to give people you don't know your email address? So the student's version will look like this, but the other part, so it will tell them. So no, maybe, yes. Well, the answer is no. So the student would hit no. And it will say correct. You got this many points. So then on the teacher's version, it will tell you how many students picked no, how many students picked yes, how many students picked maybe. And it won't give you their names, but it will give you a good estimate. If all of them pick no, then a lot of them only the answer. So you don't have to explain the question as much if they didn't know the answer. But if all of them hit maybe and no, maybe and yes, then you need to go back and explain it. If you want to continue to the next question for your students, you'll just hit next. And it will tell you all your students on your board, and you hit next again. Then the next question will pop up. If someone asks you for your home address and you don't know them, should you give it to them? Well, these are what the kids will be seeing on the screen, but this is what they will be seeing on their computer screen or their tablet or their iPad, whatever they're using. So then you would pick one. No, say no and leave the conversation until an adult. And that one would be your correct answer. You can also change the time limit if you want the time limit to be longer or shorter. And then if your child doesn't get it in time, it will say time's up. You will continue this until all 15 questions or how many ever questions that you made are completely done and the quiz is done. And once you are done with the quiz, it will ask if you want to end the quiz, and it will give you the results and how many points and how many your students got out of it. But your students won't see this part. You will only see this part. So you will see which students know the most, which students don't, which students you need to help with. It's a lot of fun to do in the classroom. Thank you for watching.